Hi guys, welcome to Sneaky's SP Authentic 2012-13 break. Doing 5 in a row right now. Sorry, but I got home late from work today, and so I won't be the first to break this stuff, but I'll be the best to break this stuff, so no monotone garbage. We are going to break the show Breaking Bad, but this will be breaking good, I guess. 195132 313. No hockey to worry about tonight. Tonight's breaking night. See the NHL schedule, the games around the release of SP Authentic. I'm sure you're saying, yeah, that's a load of BS, but I guess it is. But it worked out pretty well. So this is number 1. This is box number 1, like I numbered in the other video. See next to Carey's head. Why do they put Carey Price on this? Wow. I'm a Montreal fan, but Carey was not at his best near the end of the season. Let's see if you guys can see this. Lots of familiar faces. We even have some fellow breakers. I don't know if they're in this one, but welcome to all of you. I want this to be clear. There we go. Shout out to Joey. E Froggy. 82 Sean 62. Apps fan, I mean Chief. Tofu Hockey Perdidor. Welcome everyone. Okay, and the time. Time is I didn't even give you the time in the numbering of the boxes. I guess couldn't have been numbered yesterday. I didn't have the product, so we are 11:31 already. We're getting in just under midnight, Thursday, June 13th, Eastern Time. And box number 1 again will not leave your sight again. I wanted to stop the video. Trusty summer sort, slicing and dicing. Not much to watch on TV tonight. Reruns of Person of Interest, among other things. Blue Jays, which I cannot watch, especially with that clown managing them. I mean, what a terrible manager John Gibbons is. Just his whole demeanor and everything, it's a joke. Sits there slouched in the dugout, doesn't play small ball. I don't know why I thought he was hired that guy. I know I'm ranting and raving about baseball. You probably don't give a hoot right now about baseball, especially the Blue Jays. But wow, look at all these packs. Very nice. Lots of hits in these packs. That's bad for me. It's good for you. Gotta ship out a lot of stuff. Empty box. Keep on the packs. So we've got. Well, let's get going. First pack looks thick, but I think there's a lot of spacers in this product. So here, what I'll do is this stuff. Oh, we got a hit in the first pack. Very nice. I can see it right in front of me. So now we got an MVP rookie of Tyson Barrie. Tyson Barrie is one of the better ranked defensemen for the Colorado Avalanche. He's talented. He's got offensive capabilities as well. So I mean, he's actually he would be a surprisingly decent investment because you know this rookie class is not loaded with. Wow, look at some of these veterans. You got Quebec Nordiques in here. Peter Stastny, very nice. Nice looking cards. So there is a hit for Colorado, which is D-Man Rocks. It's an MVP card. I guess it's a hit. Ooh, oh yeah, authentic moments. Gonna see tons of these. This one is Sam Gagner. These things are not numbered. I guess they're hits, but a whole bunch of these. So that is Sam Gagner. Oh yeah, that's with his 7-point game last year. Spacer and base cards. So we got a hit for Edmonton, 82 Sean, 62. And we've got a Drew Doughty retro card for the Kings. So spacer and base cards. We're supposed to be getting 3 autos, I believe, in this box. So one is a future watch. That's what you're all looking for. Base and a base and another Moments of Eberle. Authentic moments. Not sure why they're not focusing, but there we go. So it's already a couple of hits. I guess Edmonton might have a lot of hits in this. So far, 2 hits for them. Well, they certainly sealed these pretty well. They're a lot harder to open than Anthology. And we've got a retro hit of Pavel Datsyuk, Detroit. Oh, we've got a very nice card here. A nice hit for Toronto. Look at that Future Watch patch. Auto rookie patch. First pack, 6008 KR. You've got a fellow European. 98 out of 100. 2-color patch. Nice looking card. Seam. Nice thick card. Base cards. Thick card. Very nice. First box. Nice with a little piece of thread. A huge hit for Toronto. Toronto opens the scoring, I would say, because these are they're hits, but they're not, yeah, they're not really hits. Nicholas Lidstrom retro card. Detroit. Hit for Nick Hickey. So we got one of our autos. We got another Authentic Moments of Jordan Eberle. Another hit for Edmonton. Chug along here. We got a Brandon Dubinsky retro card for Columbus. He's in a Rangers uniform, but it's Columbus logo for Columbus. Maybe, I mean, at the beginning now I'll ship all those cards out for you, but some of these retro cards, I don't think they're really hits. I mean, wow, sign of the times. Jason Zucker, hit for Minnesota. Bryjor 68. I think you bought Minnesota in most of my 5 breaks. So nice on card. SP Authentic does not do stickers. Very seldom. I know that the Dominion, is it Dominion or the Cup? One of those. The only one is auto rookie. The auto rookie patches is I think Yemelin. So a hit for Minnesota. That's 2 autos. There's still more. There's still, I think, a Future Watch auto that's not a patch. So here we got an Eddie Belfer for Chicago. There's no team logos on the back, so, and no team logos on the front either. So he's in a Chicago uniform. Looks like a nice product. I mean, last year I was really disappointed. I bought a case right away, and I don't know, with those extended rookies and that. Here you got a Sidney Crosby wearing the face shield. Team Canada moments. Hit for Pittsburgh. So far, not a bad box. I mean, we got the patch. I don't know if it's one per case. I hope not. Hope some of you guys have a shot in some of the other breaks. Patrice Bergeron retro card for Boston. Oh, look at all those base cards. Make a set. Got a base. Oh my God, another Jordan Eberle. No, this one is a Nuge. Yeah, the Nuge. It even says Nuge. Nuge records first career hat trick. Third NHL game. Wow. He had a tough year this year. I mean, he's had some injuries and stuff. He's not a big guy. You know, he weighs what, 165 pounds maybe. So, you know, great player, but I'm sure he took a beating his first couple of seasons. Here we've got a Jonas Hiller retro card, Anaheim. Probably about 20 hits in this box if you consider all those retro and moments, and I still don't think those base cards are hits, but we've got a hit for Phoenix. Wow, you don't have to have a good team to hit. Fox Biz Robert. It's a nice Michael Stone, 750 of 999. Nice on-card auto. Nice looking cards, definitely. Spacer. Michael Stone is, I guess he could be okay. He's not going to be a superstar. Fringe guy at best, I would say. David Clarkson had a fine first half of the shortened season, and then he, like the rest of the team, disappeared. That's a hit for New Jersey. And, of course, well, normally it's E. Froggy, but Billa's got New Jersey. Billa bought a bunch of teams. So, we got a card coming there. Another Team Canada Moments. Well, I guess it's got to be random, but I mean, who the hell wants to random these cards? Tavares, Eberle. We'll have to random it. Unbelievable. It's like a random you don't even want to win. It's like, yes, I lost. I don't want that card anyways. So. But we'll do a random. Pace. Now I've got a Trevor Linden. Go for Vancouver. Well, still have 5 packs. Plus the prison pack. Just kidding. No prison pack in this. Actually, they're supposed to have SPX pack in here. What the hell? That's weird. Authentic Moments of Landeskog for Colorado. Did I already open the SPX? I thought there was supposed to be an SPX pack in each box. I don't know. That's weird. Here's a rookie of Chet Pickard, MVP. That's a Nashville hit. Check that box again. Exactly what's here. I don't know why I thought there was an SPX pack in here too. More moments. Adam Henrique. Team Canada Moments. Goes to New Jersey. Villa. We got another New Jersey. Marty Brodeur. Let's go to Villa. 1444. And the last pack. Oh man, that's our first base pack. Wow, last one. Okay, so we got to do a random, and I got a couple of bonus cards to give, so we'll go in and take care of that right now. I'll knock over the cards. And I guess we'll take care of this random right here. Team Canada Moments, so it's going to be between Edmonton and Islanders. So I'll put Islanders first. Edmonton second. Not a bad box. I mean, the Renus patch was really special. Okay, so what I will do is find my mouse, and then here we go. New tab. We've got New York Islanders, Oilers, New York Islanders, Oilers, New York. Okay, so here we go. Islanders on top, Oilers on top, and the loser, sorry, the winner of this card, Islanders. Okay, so Islanders, 82 Sean 62 wins the Tavares Eberle. Okay, and I got a couple of bonus cards for you guys. First one is Hakim Aliu. He's been a pretty popular player, I know, for Rookie Anthology. When you buy Calgary, usually you want a bear cheer, you want this guy. So, not Steve Downey's favorite player. That was that whole hazing incident where in that junior team that got penalized, or a bunch of guys suspended, or the coach fired, I think, or suspended. You know, basically the veteran guys were giving a hard time to the young guys. Aaliyah was fighting Downey quite often, so Downey's cleaned up his act a little bit in the NHL. He's become more of a player, although he missed most of the season with a torn ACL. So here we got Aliu, and we've got all 30 teams, starting with Anaheim, all the way down to Washington. So here we go. We got Calgary on top, which is fitting. We've got San Jose. And last time, New Jersey had hits in this box. So Philly. I don't think Philly had a hit. Let's take a quick look. That looks like Billa. Just see quickly if there was a hit for Philly. I mean, most teams had some kind of a hit, but no hits for Philly. So Aliu goes to Philly. Got one more card for you guys. Another Calgary player up. Not an easy card to find. It's from Upper Deck. Piece of history. 300 win club. Mika Kiprusoff. White jersey, not numbered, but it's kind of thick. It's these cards are hard to find. So you're all back in, and here we go. Montreal, San Jose. I hope you guys can see it, but it is San Jose. And Philly again, but Philly already won. Winnipeg. I don't think Winnipeg had a hit. Take a quick look there. No, it looks like so. That card's going to Winnipeg. Winnipeg is Perdidor. Oh, Hodido. Kiprusoff. Okay, thanks for being in break number 1. It was a lot of fun, and I'll be spending the weekend getting this stuff ready to ship to you. So, thanks again. Have a great night.